Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for April 16 to 30, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pin comment. Paki-check nyo na lang para kayo ay makapag-book. Okay, Cappies, let's see what's coming to you. Energy update. Second half ng April. For Capricorn. Okay. Meron ditong meron kayong iiwanan. Okay. Oh my God. Capricorn. So, some of you, pwedeng merong situation that you need to let go of. Something stressful or something na parang hindi ka kontento, no? Can be a relationship, can be a situation, pwedeng trabaho, business, career mo, or isang connection sa isang tao na you feel na parang hindi nagfo-fall sa yung expectation. So, if this is a person, parang may kulang, no? Feeling mo may kulang tong situation, relationship ninyo. Or yung iba naman, pwedeng sa career ninyo, you feel like parang may hindi nag-i-improve. Okay? So that's why you want a new experience. Okay? You have the Four of Cups as your energy. Parang you feeling mo meron pang maidadagdag, may mas gaganda pa, kumbaga. Tignan natin anong area of life ba to? Para mas specific. Ninth house. So, ninth house is about your belief system. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, pakiramdam nyo, meron pa kayong kailangan pag-aralan. May kailangan pa kayong i-improve sa sarili ninyo, sa knowledge ninyo, para mas mapaunlad nyo yung sarili nyo. Kasi yung iba, maaring hindi nabibigyan ng opportunities dahil sa credentials, lack of credentials. So, for example, sa trabaho, dapat sana mapopromote ka na. Kaya lang pagdating sa pag-check ng credentials, sasabihin nila na, kulang ka sa ganitong degree or wala kang experience sa ganitong field, kahit naman na matagal ka na sa company na yon, no? So, parang feeling mo, meron kang kailangan i-improve pa sa sarili mo. With the Eight of Cups, some of you, medyo natatakot na umalis sa inyong comfort zone. So, parang feeling nyo na, paano kung hindi mag-work yung inyong i-explore? Paano kung wala ka nang babalikan? Okay? You get what I mean? Halimbawa sa isang trabaho, business career, na you feel na may kulang sa kaalaman mo, kaya may explore kang iba na baka doon mo makita yung fulfillment. And then, nag-aalala ka kasi the moment na iwanan mo yung kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, baka pag hindi nag-work yung ipuperso mo, pagbalik mo, wala na yung momentum, no? But, this is the time for you na magkaroon ng lakas ng loob, no? Na i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Lalo na kung ito ay pangarap mo ever since. Like, nung bata ka pa, ito na yung pangarap mo. But for some reasons, hindi mo siya naituloy dahil may mga bagay na kailangan kang i-prioritize muna, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity na balikan ang isang bagay, sitwasyon, na gustong-gusto nyo talaga. Like, ito yung bagay na nagpapasaya sa inyo. This can be your like a job or career or passion na hindi mo na i-pursue before, but now you have the opportunity to do so. And as a blessing, itong Ten of Swords is like letting go of the things na alam mong nagpapahirap lang ng kalooban mo, nagpapa-overthink lang sa'yo. So, para kasing yung iba sa inyo feeling nyo helpless, no? Or parang feeling nyo pasan nyo yung daigdig or walang ibang sumusuporta sa inyo. But it's time for you to release that. And as a blessing, this will lead you to a new beginning, a new opportunity. Tignan natin kung ano tong nag-i-end na to. In what area of your life? 7th house. Oh my God, relationship. Oh my God. Okay, Capricorn. I'm seeing here, maaring meron kayong current situation sa relationship na akala nyo, yun yung magpapabuo sa inyo. Like, you feel like this person might be the one for you. But it seems na hindi. Okay? You feel, parang hindi niya na-fulfill yung hinahanap mo. And then, as a challenge, parang nahihirapan ka ngayon na iwanan or umalis sa relationship na to kasi mukhang wala namang problema eh doon sa taong yon. It's just it's like you, something about you na may hinahanap ka doon sa tao na yon na hindi niya kayang ibigay. And then with the 6 of Cups, this is the energy from the past. Maaring meron kang opportunity to come back or to be with someone in your past na meron ngayong chance to reconcile or to work things out. Okay? And this 6 of Cups energy is like a soulmate energy. Maaring may soul contract itong connection na to. And as a blessing, the moment that you release this pain, you release this anguish or stress, that's the time na makaka-experience ka ng new beginnings. Oh my God, okay. So for your money, career, finances, be careful with the people that you will be working for. Dahil meron ditong energy of dishonesty. Oo, hindi totoo. That might, pwedeng maging hantungan yan is losses. Oo. So, with the 5 of Cups, so parang merong regrets. I feel like magkakaroon ng regrets over someone na pinagkatiwalaan mo related to money, related to your business, related to your career. Okay? So, some of you may mga travel opportunities. You are taking your responsibilities. Kumbaga, nagagampanan mo yung mga responsibilidad mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa finances mo. Yes. Oh my God. Meron, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kung meron kayong negosyo na pinagkakatiwala nyo lang sa isang tao, not too much, no? Huwag masyado magtiwala. Dapat meron ka rin pa rin pamamaraan para i-check yung genuinity or alam mo yun, kailangan ma-check mo pa rin kung totoo yung sinasabi niya. Kasi meron dito na nagsisinungaling. Oo, nagsisinungaling tungkol sa pera. So, I don't know kung paano yun mag-resonate sa inyo, but if you feel na merong it doesn't make any sense, or hindi nagko-corroborate talaga, or hindi tumatama yung sinasabi sa nangyayari pagdating sa pera, sa negosyo, career, business, then maybe there is something wrong na kailangan mong i-check. So, pagdating sa relationship, you have the 4 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. Meron ditong healing, no? 4 of Swords is about healing from your past, focusing on yourself, no? Self-care, self-love. With the 2 of Pentacles, maaring meron kang decision making pagdating sa relationship. Na meron kang pagpipilian, dalawang tao, dalawang sitwasyon, isang tao, isang sitwasyon. Kung saan sa tingin mo mas practical. Let's see what else. Kung meron kang anak, no, possible na yung iba sa inyo, merong hinahabol na connection sa anak. Pwede ring merong issue sa addiction. Medyo magulo to Someone isn't over the relationship. Okay, I see someone na hindi pa nakaka-move on from a relationship. Lalo na kung meron silang anak or parang may sense of obsession dito. It's either ikaw yung obsessed sa kanya or obsessed sa'yo yung person na yon. So, pagdating sa health mo, ito rin yung magiging focus mo, no? Kalusugan, anything related to your well-being. And whatever decisions na gagawin mo ngayong second half ng April, this will be the best possible decision for your situation. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.